I hope you're very fine, enjoying your life, and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. On this channel, we just talk about France because France is an amazing country to live, to work, and to live your whole life. And if you want to learn any foreign language, so you can always choose French language because it can give you a lot of things which you can never imagine to get. So French language is something very special. You all must learn this language. And now today I want to share, as always, the good news about France, because I have got the very good news about study in France. So any international student who wants to study in France, so if you want to study your bachelor degree, your master degree, your Ph.D, so you can study your program starting from only 170 euros. 170 euros. And I know that you must be shocked to hear that, and you might think that I'm just telling you a lie, but it's not a lie, because I will show you this important news, and I will share with you the universities where you can study with 170 euros your bachelor degree, starting from bachelor degree, and you can do your master degree, your PhD. So this is something very special, and I want to save your money, your parents' money. That's why I do so much research and I bring all the good updates for you, so that I can motivate you to choose France, because France is the only country which can help you to achieve all your goals with less tuition fees. And now, if you have any plan to go to any English speaking country like America, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, so I would request you that don't go there, because you will go there and you will spend a lot of money, because they charge huge tuition fees and living expenses are very high. So you can imagine, if you go there, you will only waste your parents' money. But if you choose France, then you can save your parents' money. And these are the best universities which I'm going to show you online, so that you can get the clear picture, you can understand which is the university where you can study. So I make everything transparent and crystal clear, so that you can get the right knowledge, and you should apply so that you can get the admission and you can get the almost free education, because 170 euro, it's like a peanuts, so this is not a big deal. So everybody can afford this amount. So now what I'll do is that I will not waste your time. I will show you this news online. I will show you the universities online, so that you can see and you can apply in those universities, so that you can also study free of cost, so that you can save your parents' money. So now, without wasting further time, let's get started, and I will show you the universities now online. So now you can see on your screen, it's a very big news I'm sharing with you, and here you can see everything. You can read through your eyes. Cheapest universities in France for international students 2025. So here I'm going to show you the university's name where you can study. So here, let's start the first university in France. It says Université Paris Cité. This is very famous and big international reputed university, and here you can see that the bachelor degree tuition fees is only 170 euros plus 100 CVEC. It's a 100 euros contribution, social security contribution, but the fees is 170 euro. So if you want to study master degree, so you have to spend 243 euros, which is again peanuts, it's not a big amount. And if you want to do PhD, so like it's 380 euros. So you can understand it's very reasonable fees which you have to pay, and it's not a big amount. So this is the first university. Second university is Université Paris Saclay. So this is also a very famous university. Here you can see bachelor's degree 175 euros, master's degree 250 euros, doctorate 391 euros. So this is again very affordable amount you have to pay. Third university is Université de Rennes, and it is also very famous public university, and again you can see master's degree 170 euro, bachelor degree 175, master's degree 250 euros, engineering program 618 euros. Again, it's very affordable for everyone. Next University of Angers. So this is again a famous public university. Here you can pay 170 euro for bachelor degree, master degree 243 euros, engineering 601 euro. So again you can see it's again very affordable. And the next name is Université Grenoble-Alpes. This is again very famous public university, and the tuition fees, you know very well, 243 euros for the international students. So again, this is very good university where you have to pay the very less amount. The next university, Université Clermont-Auvergne. So this is again very famous university. So again, you have to pay bachelor degree program 170 euro, master's degree 243 euro, and everybody can afford that. Any international students outside EU, everybody can do that. So seventh university is Avignon University. Again, this is very famous university. So again, fees will be very less, and for master degree you can see 243 euros. And the next university we have Le Mans University. So again, you can see that. So again, the fees you can see 240 euros. Now the big university again, Sorbonne University, because when you type online on Google, you will see this university, and it is very reputed university. Again, bachelor degree 170 euro, master's degree 243 euros, doctorate 380 euros. So you can see everything. And next university is University of Orleans. Again, this is a very famous public university where you have to spend only 170 euro for bachelor degree, master degree 243 euro, and you can see everything through your eyes. And also you can search on Google about everything, whatever I'm showing to you. Again, University of Strasbourg. This is again very famous and very reputed university. Again, for bachelor degree program you have to spend 175 euro. For master degree, non-EU students, sometimes it charges more, but again it's not a big deal. So again, next university is Université de Montpellier. So again, bachelor degree 170 euro, master's degree 243 euros, engineering degree 601 euro. So this is not a big amount. Again, you can pay this much money. And again, Université of Franche-Comté. This is again the cheapest university in France. All these universities which I am showing to you, these are the public universities where you have to spend only 170 euro for bachelor degree, master degree 243 euros. So you can understand, France is a country where you can actually get the free education, because 170 euro is peanuts. You can spend in one day for your personal expenses 170 euro. But when it comes to study, I think this is the big deal for you, and you should not waste your time. Don't go to other country. Apply to any one of these universities and you will get the world-class education, and you will make your profile very strong, and employers like French degrees. So I think everything is a win-win situation for you. So don't waste time. Apply to all these universities which I just showed to you, and I hope that you understood that you have the big benefit if you come to France. So apply now. So now I do hope you have seen everything. You know the universities now, so you can apply, and that's how you can fulfill your dream of studying abroad in France, which is an amazing country. It can give you a lot of benefits. So I think this will be the best choice you can make, rather than going to other English speaking countries where you will have to spend a lot of money. And the best thing is that you can do your program in English language entirely, bachelor degree, master degree and PhD. So this is something very special. You don't need to go other countries to study your English taught program. So you can do English taught program, bachelor degree, master degree, PhD in France. So I think everything is in your court now. The ball is in your court now, and you do understand now everything. So now apply, and thank you so much for watching my video, and best of luck and take care always.